Hi guys, and welcome to Bite Size Excel. In this video we're going to take an introductory look at the OR function in Excel. Now OR is a logical function, and how it works is it tests a number of conditions and returns a true value if one or more of them are true, and returns a false value if none of them are true. So in this video we have an example that is the same as in our last video where we looked at the AND function. But in this instance, what we want to say is that the course is passed if they get more than 60% in either their coursework or exam. So our function is equals OR. We put in our first condition. So our first condition is that our coursework mark is greater than or equal to our pass mark, making that absolute. And our second condition, again, that our exam mark is greater than or equal to our pass mark. And obviously, because one of these is above 60%, you get a true returned. In this instance, you only get the false on this one because both are below 60. This will now change if you change your pass mark. So you're getting more falses appearing because both values will be below 80 in this instance. Now, in a similar way to the AND function, OR becomes very useful when you start combining it with IF, which we are going to look at in a later video. But this has just been a brief introduction. I do hope that you found it useful. Please do like and subscribe and leave me a comment. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.